Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the auto blocker function and how to turn it off in our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Where to find it? Settings, of course. Then we're looking for security and privacy options. And here we have auto blocker. What does it do? Here is a little bit of explanation. For example, it blocks commands by using our USB cable. So our phone can be easily accessed via USB cable from some outside sources. But to turn the auto blocker off, we simply uncheck this little box. Here is a little warning. Yes, turn off auto blocker, please. Please turn it off. Yes, it's now off. And now our auto blocker is turned off. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.